Hello everyone, welcome back to our lap around Australia. This episode brings us to Exmouth, and the first thing that comes to mind are whale sharks. But very little do people speak of the picturesque gorge walks. Our advice is to get out early and do the walks while the day is cool, and go for a snorkel when you've warmed up. Enjoy the episode. So unfortunately our GoPro is still broken. We've left it in the windshield to try and dry it all out, but I think if it's salt water that got in there, then maybe salt crystals formed on the contacts, and the GoPro is turning on and off and on and off and on and off the whole time, which makes me think that there's still moisture inside, messing around with the electrics in there. We haven't tried putting it in a Tupperware, sealed Tupperware of rice yet, so we might do that. However, you might get some rice into the battery bay, which is not ideal. So we're still filming with the phones, but yeah, have a look at this, how stunning. So this is a 6.8 kilometer loop, class 4 hike, and yeah, it's already we just started, and it's beautiful already. Jen and I were just saying that everyone comes to Exmouth to do the whale shark tours and to snorkel and so on, and you don't see very many people doing all of these hikes. Well, I need to be careful here. Look at that, so I don't fall down there. Yeah, so it's quite nice actually not being in the ocean for a change, because our whole holiday so far almost has consisted of us being in the ocean the whole time and being all salty, sweaty and salty. But yeah, it's nice to be in the mountains, having a bit of a walk, change of scenery. It's also nice.
This place where we are,
Shottle Canyon,
or whatever it's called, it's honestly so beautiful. If it wasn't for the fact that the whale sharks are here at Exmouth, I think people would come from far and wide just to see this place, because it's so pretty.
Yeah,
very nice.
Yeah, so basically what we're trying to say is don't forget to come and do the canyon walks when you're over here. It's there's more than the ocean, or this place provides a bit more than just the ocean. And I think we're 30 kilometers out of Exmouth, south of Exmouth, so it's not too far either. We've come all the way from that little shiny thing on that rock. That's a park bench. Wouldn't want to sit on that now with the sun baking on it. Jen and I were just saying that you would expect baboons to be in these little valleys and so on, because that's what you get a lot a lot of baboons and monkeys and so on in South Africa, and they love being in mountainous areas like this where there's a lot of rocks around. So we're not seeing them now. Oh, there's a car down there. Yeah. Some cars down there. Where's my finger? There. Tips. You guys, we just want to let you know that see this background here? Well, here's good. This is a good place, man.
You should be here.
I've just decided to come to a place called Lakeside to come and snorkel in their sanctuary zone. Apparently it should be very nice. The weather is pretty good. There's not a lot of wind, so hopefully there's not a lot of waves and so on, or a lot of chop in the water. Yeah, since we don't have a GoPro, we won't be able to show you what's in the water, but I brought the the drone along, so maybe we can see something from above, turtle or something along those lines. But yeah, it's a pretty cool place to come to. We've just visited the visitor center, and they've got all of these displays of all the animals and skeletons and all of that sort of stuff. So yeah, come out.
When you do go snorkeling, just make sure you adhere to the tide times. The current in the areas can be quite bad. Other than that, all of the bummies that you see hold some incredible fish. Enjoy your snorkeling.
So Jen and I went for a snorkel at Lakeside, and honestly it's probably one of the better snorkels that we've had so far on this trip. We saw massive bass, trevally, stingrays, 4 turtles, you name it. We saw everything. It was beautiful and not a lot of current. We've actually stopped the next bay over called Corey Bay just to make some lunch, open up the awning. We're gonna have some pesto pasta right now. But yeah, it's very impressed with this area. It's for its snorkeling at least. It's such a shame that our drone is not, our GoPro is not working. Yeah, because you would have seen so many cool things. We can't wait to get our new GoPro to continue showing you guys all this stuff. So Jen's just made some pesto pasta, and I'll be eating out of the pot because just to minimize cleanup afterwards, save some water. Not a bad spot for lunch, eh? Morning everyone, it's a new day and we've decided to do the Mandu walk. It's only about 3 kilometers, and how we woke up this morning feeling pretty tired. Last night was really windy, so the canvas on the tent was flapping about. But yeah, still want to get out there. And
it's our last day here in Exmouth, Mandu. We're leaving tomorrow,
yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, so try to get the most out of today. Hopefully the sun comes out, and maybe we'll go and snorkel at Turquoise Bay. That's the only place that we haven't gone yet, or that in Osprey Bay.
Yeah,
We'll see which one we'll go to. But yeah, last day in Exmouth, or in the area at least. Tomorrow we'll be heading to Karatha.
Really have to look very well camouflaged to the wind. You guys, and there's another one. Yes, see. Look at him, just busy scratching himself. Having the best time of his life. Or her life. Wait. Oh my goodness, there's more. Look at them. Just having a good time. Jeez. Have you ever seen that many rock wallabies in one area? It's maybe not even 40 meters worth of rock face, and we've seen so many rock wallabies in one area. Crazy. Have a look at this tree with its root system embedded in the rock. Wow. And would you know, there's a little rock wallaby again. Look at that. A flower taking a picture of a flower. Woo! Beautiful. Check that tree. So basically this trail there, you can see the marker over there, but it just follows this gorge all the way along. So this Mandu path actually does a bit of a loop there. You can see a marker there, halfway up that hill, and then right at the top. So you get quite a specky view of the ocean. And you can see. And there's the cars all the way down there. It is the right path. Sure. You see there was a pole there. So after our hike, we're just going to cool down at Turquoise Bay, maybe do a bit of snorkeling. So should be good. The weather's getting better. It feels like the sun's out, staying out for longer, that is. If you've been to the Whitsundays before, you'll notice how the blue water and the white sands are quite similar. It's unsurprising that people want to come back here year after year. Thank you for watching and showing your support. Feel free to ask any questions if you have any. Join us for next week's episode when we get on a boat and catch some wonderful crays. See you then!